your back. Go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Then DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said take your time, what's the rush?
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's officially Memorial Weekend, so yeah, we're trying to prepare for my birthday. My birthday is on Monday, May 26th. So today is Friday, May 23rd. I was supposed to vlog after I made my my breakfast, my spinach pancakes that I made this morning, because it's green and it's my favorite color, and that's Gemini birthstone. Yes, I was like, I'm gonna make some spinach pancakes, so why not? So yep, that was the breakfast. But yeah, I was supposed to vlog after, because I was gonna start the vlog right away, but I got distracted with trying on clothes and stuff. So we're here now. I'm going to an event on Sunday. I'm not sure what I'm doing Monday yet. Probably dinner. I'm not sure yet, because it was really last minute plans. So the outfits I might have to do an outfit change for Sunday. The weather for Sunday is not giving sunny skies, so I have to change my outfits, because originally I was gonna wear some shorts and some heels. Of course, we're gonna switch over into some sandals when we, after the pictures. But that was the outfit: shorts, heels, and a cute bustier top, or like a cute top. But now I think I'm gonna have to throw in a backup just in case. So I need to go to the tailor to get my pants altered. I'm Sunday gonna be 66, so I just want to have a backup just in case the weather does not change. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the tailor right now to get some pants altered, and yeah, I think that's it. We got this green one because obvious reasons, and we got this one. So I'm not sure yet which one, but I feel like I'm going for this one. But I'm gonna bring both of them just in case. In true Gemini fashion, we're gonna bring both. I'm so obsessed with this Good Girl perfume, but you hear that? Ain't much left. My waist, and this fine. This is the fit. I'm wearing all black on black on black. A Tupac tee. Just some sweats. I gotta check the weather before I go outside, because I don't know if I need a long jacket or quit my leather jacket. We gonna find out. I want to see how gloomy it is outside. It's like disgusting. I don't understand why ain't no sun. I'm gonna see you guys when we reach outside. I'm so mad. Hey y'all, so I'm back inside. I'm back home. As I showed y'all, the place I usually go get my stuff tailored at was closed, so I have to bring it to another one. So I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow. I want to show y'all the wig that I might install, because again, it goes with the weather. If it's gonna rain, if it's giving cloudy rain type of weather, I'm gonna wear that same one over there. I'm just gonna have to wash it right now, put it to soak and wash it, and then put it to dry tomorrow, because I'm not gonna install a brand new wig if it's gonna rain. It doesn't make sense. This is the one I want to wear. Her. See, 30 inches already plucked. I think it's bleached already too. Yes, I wanted to wear this so bad. Let me see if it smells. If it smells, but I'm gonna have to wash it and blow dry it probably. But if it doesn't smell, it doesn't have a strong scent. I usually air dry it when I wash them. Oh, this is the thing lace. Oh, I love this. This is that thingy lace. I don't know what they call it. But look at her. Look at her. The lace is giving what lace? What? Y'all see how the lace is? That's what I was trying to tell y'all. That's how the lace is. It has that the way how they cut it. Oh my God, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this 30-inch bust down? Good morning, y'all. So it's the day of the event. So I took a shower, did my skincare, put on my lashes, do some mini preparation for this hair. I did my nails. Well, it's a little messy, but I did my nails. That's how it came out. But yeah, these are the lashes that I have on. Yeah, so this is the look that I came up with. Looks super cute. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit when I get outside because my cousin's on her way right now. This is the jewelry. Yeah, I'm not sure about the earrings I'm gonna wear yet, but I have heels, but I'm gonna wear these right now. So yeah, we're not walking no heels to the venue. We're gonna wear these flats from Fashion Nova. But yeah, I love my hair. I love this honey blonde color on me. I just have to put some earrings. But yeah, I'll pick y'all up when I'm on my way or when I get there. Y'all will see the full fit. Okay.
Everybody salute! I know you as a friend in the goodness of God. What's what? Who's flushing?
2,000 years later.
What up, chat? Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So it's Saturday, July 19th, and I'm currently at Wingate Park because there's a free concert with Beenie Man, Patrice Roberts, and some other artists. I don't know the rest of them. But I don't know how guys are already thinking, oh, it's close by. I got time. Wrong. Yo, wrong. Like, what? I don't know why I didn't think. I forgot 3 important things. Beenie Man, it's in Brooklyn, and it's free. It's freaking free. I put all those 3 into my head like, okay, yeah, it's have to do something crazy. But anyways, I'm with my friend. I told her like I lost hope going in there. I want to sing, but not this bad. Not this bad. So I don't know if we're gonna go in there because it ends at 10. It's now 8:14. So yeah, I don't know if we're gonna go in there. We might just do something else. We might just do something else. But I'm gonna throw in the clips of me coming here. One thing I love about the summertime in New York, like whenever there's a concert or a party or whatever, and there's a Caribbean artist, or even if they're playing Caribbean music or whatever, we gonna rip our flags. We gonna come up with our flags. I see everybody their flags, but I just love to see like the trees, the Guyanese, Jamaicans, of course, the Canadians. I don't think I said anybody else. But yeah, I'm gonna throw in the clips of me coming here. You gotta see what I'm talking about, the crowd. I know that ain't the damn line, child. Ain't no way, child. Ain't no motherfucking way. Brooklyn came off of Beenie Man though. Period. The line is ridiculous. Ooh, I smell fried fish. do it. May come go on my yard. Not doing it. I'm walking to find the end of the line. The line is never ending. I cannot find the end of the line. And that's when I look like, okay, girl, I'm good. I want to see this. I want to see Beenie Man. But it's not that serious. So, yeah, we might go do something else. I don't know. I tried, y'all. I tried. I see, I'm here. I tried. But it was my fault. I'm not going to say, because it's definitely my fault. The doors open at 5. It said it started at 6. That's not at 7:30. When I got here, the line was crazy. I wanted to be a nice little, it would have been a nice little vibe for the vlog. Not only would I enjoy my night and this Beenie Man. Yeah, I'm a Beenie Man fan. I'm not the other one fan. I'm a Beenie Man fan. It's King Beenie Man for me. I don't know about the other person. Child, anyways. Yeah, I wanted to come and enjoy my night and also vlog because I have vlogs for my birthday. Oh, she checks. She said. She said she got 4 people. Girl.
Just to rise and legs up, yes, I believe in fly, straight to the sky, the freedom and you need the freedom. Never, I'm running around in you, it's you and I wanna do that. Not shy, when we're something then you reply. Finally, stand, come on, from them up to them one, and we sex them up to them home. Welcome the king, welcome the king, welcome the king of the dance hall. I love you, good please. You ready for one? Every guy saw one. Every guy saw one. With the X1, what's that now? Let me get it. Back it, back it, back it. Back it, back it, back it. Dig it, dig it, dig it. Give me that again. I agree, I'm perfect. Ganja by the pound. Yeah, back, I'm we have to show this man. And of galax, how you tell them Brooklyn sing. You are the girl that brought the joy in my world. Oh, sad this is. Girl, how we don't want to even if you could have like you could have never. Hey, you woman, let me see the end of the year. Hey, God, I'll do you. But I'm around, man, I'm still at you. And I'm getting them now, but it's not like so. So when they give you the table and passing. Just a Beenie Man and the gallows, and you tell him, and you can't forget. Ladies, sing this one. Oh God, oh, got me looking like a stallion. You want to know? Man, if you love your girlfriend, do ya? But you're not getting stuck to your one. What if I think you go on this guy? Go look at your clip. And get a girl about the wickedest. The kind of girl when you feel about she man, if you want to get better, everybody will be in before them come here. Let me see how we dance. So me now disturb the person beside you. We have the hand free. We have the hand free, so hold. Cause if a girl smell around, should she find nothing out? She just a girl like I know one there. So could you tell her to go la? Brooklyn Elvis sings it. Sir, the girl have one push. Me and my friend them dumb savage. She gets used like a whole lot of loving is at where everybody wants it. Girl can't perform so she gets enough. Woman, if you don't want your husband fish, you have to have the good stamp to make the man stay. Girl, and I if not run out, yes, not suppose. Woman, to know the position and pose. Girl, me no matter about your money and your price. Man, I go
plans. We're going to the city. It's Saturday night and we're gonna enjoy our night. So yeah, so I'm here with my friend. I'm literally on the corner. This does not look right, but ain't nothing about me a corner girl, okay?
An hour later.
I don't really care what people say. I don't really watch what them want
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So today's Sunday. I'm on my way to my dad's right now to go spend the week with him. My dad's birthday is on Tuesday, so that's why I'm heading there right now. I don't know if he's doing nothing, but I'm just gonna spend the time with him. So I'm gonna go just spend time with him. I got my bag, my handy dandy weekend bag. And yeah, I'm about to hop on the train and the bus. The freaking Uber, the Uber price was ridiculous. So I'm about to hop on the train and the bus because the Uber price was $60. Jeez, $60 for an hour ride on the bus to the train, not me. I'm about to hop on this train and this bus. So yeah, come with me to Queens for the week.
Kilo fait on monte chocolate fine oh baguette watch your love for like it wine I'm on mote your body chocolate but she ready imade double sile kilo fait wine. This is the last stop on this train.
Today is my dad's birthday. So yeah, we're just doing a little celebration, nothing big. He don't really care for birthdays or whatever. He don't really care for that stuff anyways. But we're still gonna celebrate him whether or not he cares for it. So yeah, I just damn here. So yeah, the weather is nice today. Thankfully, it's not too hot. The sun is out, but it's not beaming. I'm about to clean this grill, and then we're gonna jerk some chicken and making a cake. And that's it. My dad have a garden. I'm gonna show y'all this garden. This garden is sick. Actually, there's two gardens. One right here, one on the side of the house. But this one is loaded with something. But yeah, stay tuned. Look at the callaloo. Bear callaloo. Oh my god. Yeah, I know I'm taking some home with me. Mom was like, you better take some. Look at all this callaloo. God, I'm definitely taking some home. Gotta go. What you said that thing was again? Oh, basil. And some thyme down there. Ew, the dark shit on your man. I was up on that shit look a while. Yes. But anyways, so it's more callaloo, tomatoes. I forgot what else she said, y'all. But they literally have a whole garden in the front. This is hot pepper. I know that for a fact. These four right here, hot pepper. Oh, look. A hot pepper right there.
The various gummies selling. What are you doing? Video and this thing you don't like?
The hot pepper.
Jamaica don't like.
And I'm gonna make a cake. Cause he don't like no fancy cake. He want his plain cake. Plain cake is fine with him. He don't want nothing, no icing, no none of that. So I'll make one of these. Yeah, I was gonna make this, but I'm not gonna make this anymore because my dad being my dad, he already has chicken parts seasoned up which is perfect. So I just took that out. My aunt told me, so I just took that out, and it's towing out outside. We're not gonna do it until like later on in the afternoon, so we good. It's my dad's breakfast.
Steamed
Breakfast.
Fish. Steamed fish and okra.
Is there? And if you hear this and then go on the back, go on the knees, baby, shake it to the max. With the DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
This is the birthday cake. Literally just a yellow box, the one I showed you earlier. What the chicken looking like? It's already seasoned. And this is what we're gonna put in the oven before we put it on the grill. Piece is still frozen, but once we go in the oven, we're good to go.
What I need? Get a cake.
Ooh.
Let it go.
After all, dog, them just a wait pan a call. 4 rifle in up on a wall. On my car, drive up, pull up on foot, boys, spread out like saying, yeah.
Fire now, I gotta do him thing, is it? Where's that come from?
Lord. No, it's the same thing. I just didn't put all of it. So this is the jerk marinade.
The honey, put the honey in there.
No, he doesn't put honey.
The jerk honey.
You don't know it. And this is what we got. We finna make some French fries. No more than my
Every day my belly get bigger. When you mention big back, you call me name. I will leap up on me gain. Me just name off a pizza, now me feel hungry again. Me a da another one as we speak. Man a big back, me name holy.
Everybody wanna visit Jamaica.
Good evening, Jamaica! Are you ready? Tonight we stand bold and proud in our black, green and gold as we celebrate 63 years of independence, of freedom, culture and unity. From every parish, every hill and coast, we come together to honor the soul of our nation.
Fire! Yeah, man.
Well, okay, yes, Jamaica, we are big. 63, and no one said that it's very important. We are important for no one listen up. This has nothing to do with the money. This one is all about self-worth. So big up your chest and stand proud. And I'm not about nobody, no man no more than no man on this. And so whether you walk or you a driver, and you know matter if you're white or black like. So me say from your feel good in yourself. Everybody push up on you and I tell all the haters I'm a big thing.
Oh, I'm fine, Jamaica. Give me a melody. Picture my I'm free. King of kings and Lord of the blows. World is in many ways. I ascribe to you dominion, power and grace. Through the years and years to come, you'll always be the same. It's me again, Judge, as I fall on my knees today. Oh, because I pray, don't wanna be carried away. It's me again, Judge, as I fall on my knees to pray. And because I pray, preserve my soul today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.